I must, for your sake, violate the promises and agreements I have with my lady, quite sorrowfully, about singing, which I intended to renounce. But since you have come to me here, I shall sing although I have been dumb, for I don't want to be your debtor. I shall much thank and praise you, since you had the intention and wish to know how I conduct myself. And I wish you to have something to say about it, and let not my riches shield me if I am mean or cowardly from your passing the truth along. For praising him who wants to deceive through riches is blame and wrong and bad breeding, and makes the others mock him. For true worth is not known from sayings, but it is recognized in actions instead, and the talk should follow the deeds. You wish to hear my title from me. What am I? Either a lemon or now I shut my mouth. For now my musings mount, the higher the more I consider it. I wish you indeed to know that I am not a lemon, for the precise reason that I am not desired, but I love well. If only my lady loved me. Peire, Rogier, how can I stand such a single-sided love? I do wonder, I live thus on thin air. It will be wrong if my lady makes me die. If I die for her, I'll do a miracle, so that I believe that if she were lost to me, it'd then be right for me to harm myself. Now it comes to her mind to wish me ill, but there was a time in which her opinion was different. Her love is such that I must court her forever, because of the good that has come from it. Even if she wouldn't so much as greet me anymore, I ought to always be at her feet. If she only wished to grant me this much, that I be her eternal suitor, I would be happy and gentle of speech, and she would make me rejoice without anything carnal. And I should indeed be believed, for I don't speak, no matter how much it grows in me, except about good expectation, wherefore I'd live good.